mukama tonjabulira tobera wala nange ai katonda wange ai mukama omulokozi wange yangu okumbera. Forsake me not, O Lord, oh my God, be not far from me. Make haste to help me, O Lord, my salvation. Rebuke me not in thy wrath, neither chasten me in thy hot displeasure. For thine arrows stick fast in me, and thy hand presseth me sore. There is no soundness in my flesh because of thine anger, neither is there any rest in my bones because of my sin. For mine iniquities are gone over mine head, as an heavy burden they are too heavy for me. Ai mukama tone nyango kyaliko busungu obokunkanga vula ngolikwe kirui kubango busale bobumfumise nomugogo gunkubye nnyo obusungu bw'obundwaziza nsena n'amagumba gange gona gansagala ow'ebyonono byange omusango gw'enziziza guyitiridde gunzitowerera ng'omubugo omunene obutetikika. Ebiwundu byange bitanyera biwunya olw'okwonona kwange okw'obusirusiru kotakotera mpwedde mwensa ngenda nsinda obudde okuziba omugongo gunnuma nnyo ne mu mubiri gwange temukyali bulamu. For in thee, O Lord, do I hope. Thou wilt hear, O Lord my God. For I say, hear me, lest otherwise they should rejoice over me. When my foot slippeth, they magnify themselves against me. For I am ready to hope, and my sorrow is continually before me. For I will declare mine iniquity, I will be sorry for my sin. Abalabe bange bangiera bamanyi, nawabanchairo bwere banginyo. Abalabe bange banchawo olw'okuba omulongoofu, era bwenkola ebirungi banjogerako ebitasaana. Ai mukama tonjabulira tobera wala nange ai katonda wange ai mukama omulokozi wange yangu okumbera. I am feeble and so broken, I have roared by reason of the disquietness of my heart. Lord, all my desire is before thee, and my groaning is not hid from thee. My heart panteth, my strength faileth me. As for the light of mine eyes, it also is gone from me. My lovers and my friends stand aloof from my soul, and my kinsmen stand afar off. Ndingo mugabu amatu atawulira, atayogera kusenga omuntu atalina kyawulira, atasobola kwanukula ddala ddala nindirira gwe. Ai mukama onyanukule, ai mukama katonda wange, tobakkiriza kunneyagalirako oba okunnegulumiriza. also that seek after my life lay snares for me, and they that seek my hurt speak mischievous things, and imagine deceits all the day long. But I, as a deaf man, heard not, and I was as a dumb man that openeth not his mouth. Thus I was as a man that heareth not, and in whose mouth I know